Okay, so, starting this wrong all over again. I thought I would do a video on repairing outdoor gear in an emergency. Now, clearly, I have access to a sewing machine. But, say you're out hiking and you get a tear in your hiking pants, like this. In your outdoor kit, you should hopefully have some repair tape, and I like Tenacious Tape's Gear Aid tape. It's pretty strong stuff. I've had some on one of my stoves for several years now, and it's been tossed in a bag and everything, and this tape just seems to get stronger and stronger. I've also had some on one of my packs, which is torn up now, but the tape was still in great shape before I threw the pack away. So it's flexible and strong. Now, Gear Aid comes in patches or in little rolls like this. And there's about a 20-inch roll by 3 inches. And it has an interesting feel to it, very flexible feel to it. So, anyways, let's talk about how you patch a hole like this. Now, you could just put a patch straight over top of it without any problem. But what we're going to do with this in a more durable fashion. So we're going to turn your leg inside out and then place something inside as a backer. You could use a canteen or a bottle or even some more gear. I'm just going to use a canteen here. And pull it tight, okay? And the reason you want to do that is so that it lays nice and flat. And you want to cut a piece out of here. It's better if it's rounded. That's just how patches work. If you have round corners on patches, you're less likely to catch a corner and tear it up. But I'm sure that you could probably just make it square and be okay, but I've made these round. And so I cut them just a little bit larger than the tear itself. Hopefully large enough, we'll see. And we remove the sticky stuff. And it immediately wants to stick. Now, unfortunately, this is the reflective kind, not the standard colored kind, but that's okay. So we just place it over top of there, and we just smooth it from the middle out. And for the most durable repair, we're going to patch both sides. So once I've got it nice and flattened down all the way around, I'm going to pull my canteen out and flip it inside out. Okay, just like so. And unfortunately I'm very rough on my everything I have, so I have to keep stuff like this on hand, otherwise it just gets a little out of hand. So we'll put our canteen back inside of there. Pull it nice and snug again, and check my patch, make sure it's big enough. That looks okay. And so I'm going to have a nice big reflective patch on my knee here, but that'll be okay. I assume that you could probably just make this one thick, and it would probably be pretty durable, because this tape seems to be very strong. But we're going to make it double, because I do wear these pants a lot. I very much like these. Fortunately, they weren't as durable as I'd like to believe. So we're just going to place it on top there. Again, starting in the center and pulling out slightly. There we go, with our thumb. And we're just going to pull it down. Rub it down. And ideally, you'll leave the tape kind of like to bond a little bit. And the glue will kind of cure. And it is very strong glue. So just kind of burnish it on there with your thumb. Like so. And there you go, you'll have a nice durable repair. Now, there's also another little hole up here. It's just a frayed spot. So one of the small pieces that I cut off, I'm going to take my scissors which I placed out of my reach, and we're just going to make a little round patch. Now, even if I had access to a sewing machine, it'd be very difficult to patch this little frayed spot because of where it's at. But with this tape, I'm able to get it on there. And unfortunately for me, I have just cut my fingernails, so I'm having some trouble here. There we go. So I've got it loose. And we're going to put it right over the frayed spot and just back it with your hand like that. And lay it over top of it. And again, just burnish it into place. There you go. Nice durable repair. And this tape is really great for if you're hiking or just out and about. It's good to have on hand to patch holes and such so that you continue wearing your gear. That's it. Good night.